Europe is no longer too expensive or impossible to move to. In fact, some countries are literally competing to attract you. The question is, will you take advantage of it before these programs close? What if I told you, in 2026, some European countries will literally pay you to move there? We're talking about up to 80,000 euros just to renovate a home, monthly income just for living there, and massive tax cuts that can save you thousands of dollars every year. Sounds fake? It's not. These are real government-backed programs, but there's a catch most people miss. Watch till the end, because the last country on this list might give you a house plus salary just to relocate. And more importantly, I'll tell you which one actually fits your profile. If you're new here, this channel is all about moving abroad the smart way, without agents, without scams, and with maximum benefits. With rising costs in countries like the US, UK, and even India. Meanwhile, many European regions are facing the opposite problem: not enough people. So governments are now offering relocation grants, tax breaks, cheap or free housing to attract people like you. Comment below, which country would you move to if money wasn't a problem? Let's start with Ireland, which is offering up to 80,000 euros grant. Even though Ireland has a housing shortage, there's a huge number of vacant and abandoned homes in rural areas. So the government launched a program where you can get up to 80,000 euros to renovate a property. Here's why this is powerful. You can live in it or rent it later. Property value increases massively after renovation. You enter a stable EU economy. But here's the catch. The property must be vacant for at least 2 years. You must actually complete the renovation. This is perfect for investors, remote workers, or anyone who wants a European base. The next country on the list is Italy, which is one of the most viral destinations right now. Italy offers a 7% flat tax rate plus affordable homes. You've probably heard of the €1 homes, right? But here's the truth most YouTubers won't tell you. Those deals come with strict deadlines, deposits, and heavy paperwork. Instead, a smarter strategy is buy homes for 30,000 to 60,000 euros, already livable. Renovate slowly at your own pace. Now here's where Italy becomes a game changer. 7% flat tax for up to 10 years in certain regions. Compare that to normal tax rates above 40%. That's a massive saving if you earn globally. Best for freelancers, remote workers, retirees, plus lifestyle? Think slow living, amazing food, and strong community culture. Next, let's talk about Spain. A mix of cash incentives plus tax benefits. In regions like Extremadura, you can get up to 15,000 euros just to relocate. And unlike Ireland, you can use this money for living expenses, not just property. Condition: you must live there as your primary residence. Now here's the big advantage. Spain's famous Beckham law, named after David Beckham. This allows expats to pay a flat tax on income and get exemptions on some foreign income, which means you can legally reduce your tax burden significantly. Best for corporate professionals, high-income earners, and digital nomads as well. Now the one you've been waiting for. Greece. There's a small island called Antikythera, where you can get a house, a piece of land, and even around 500 euros per month for 5 years. Yes, you're basically being paid to live on a Greek island. But here's the reality. It's a very small location, limited opportunities. Not for everyone, but Greece has a bigger advantage. 7% flat tax for up to 15 years, which makes it one of the most tax-friendly countries in Europe. Best for remote workers, retirees, and people looking for a lifestyle upgrade. Important reality check, don't skip this. Before you get excited, listen carefully. These programs are not for everyone. Each country has different visa requirements, income conditions, property rules, and timelines. Choosing the wrong country can cost you time, money, and even visa rejection. If you're serious about moving abroad in 2026, reach out to me via email linked in the description, or comment your profile below, and I'll personally help you figure out which country fits your profile, your best visa pathway, and how to maximize these benefits. Because the truth is, the best country is different for everyone. If you found this useful, like the video, comment your favorite country, subscribe for more real immigration strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.